Now, let's get to the replacement process for the worn or damaged teeth. Depending on your model of pickup, not all strippers and teeth are the same. In this video, we are using a mega-wide pickup on a 568 round baler to demonstrate replacing the center teeth, right-hand mega teeth, and left-hand mega teeth. Make sure you are using the correct parts for your pickup, as models may vary. Start by removing the bolt securing the old teeth using the hex socket. Pay close attention when removing so you can replace in the reverse order. When replacing a centered pickup tooth, remove the lock nut, bolt, and washer. Square wire teeth have an additional coil which narrows the gap between coils compared to our round wire teeth on regular pickups. Pro tip 3. A standard hex socket in your set may not have a long enough bit to reach the bolt. A standard hex wrench will work, but ideally it's best to locate a bit with a long hex length to expedite the process. When installing the new center tooth, the coil must rest against the inside of the tooth bar. And don't forget to put the washer back in, as it's important to make sure everything stays tight. Tighten each bolt to the specified torque referenced in the operator's manual. On the 568 baler, the specification on the center teeth is 46 pound-feet of torque. Pro tip 4. If your pickup has square wire teeth, it's always recommended to replace all the hardware when replacing the tooth. Now, carefully insert the new tooth into place, making sure they are properly aligned. Once in position, tighten the bolts securely using the socket wrench. Repeat this process for each tooth that needs replacement. Once you have replaced the tooth, you can reinstall the stripper. Align the stripper with the slotted hole and tighten the hardware. Do not over-tighten the self-tapping bolts. And there you have it. Your John Deere baler is now equipped with fresh teeth and strippers, ready to tackle the next baling season with efficiency and reliability.